Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by inspecting the Vision Kettle. Look for cracks, loose parts, or cord fray. This protects you and the appliance. Next, open the lid and pour cold water to the marked level. Do not overfill because boiling water expands and will spill. Once filled, align the kettle on its base until it seats. Plug into a grounded outlet. Make sure the surface is dry and stable so the kettle won't tip. This quick preparation ensures safe, consistent heating performance. You now choose how to heat. Press the temperature or boil button to set the exact degree because different drinks need different temps. If your Vision model has keep warm, set duration now. This saves reheating and preserves flavor. Make sure the lid locks so steam vents correctly and verify the auto shutoff and boil dry protections are active. These prevent damage and hazards. Once done, start the cycle. If you hear abnormal noises, pause and reseat the kettle. Noisy boiling can indicate low water or lime scale buildup. You finish by lifting the kettle off the base to instantly stop heating. Pour carefully, using a steady wrist to avoid splashes. After cooling, unplug and empty leftover water. Rinse the interior and descale with vinegar or citric acid every 1 to 3 months, depending on your water hardness, because lime scale reduces efficiency. If the kettle fails to power, check the outlet and that the base connector is clean and seated. If problems persist, reset any fuse and consult the manual or support.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.